Hey everybody, I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach, and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. I mean, the breath, the energy, the this, the that, I mean everything. This is gonna be so freaking cool. So come on with me, here we go.
Pas de bourrée en tournant, grand rond de jambes sauté. So, pas de bourrée, sauté, 2, repeat it, 3, 4. Piqué, failli, contretemps, piqué, close. All right? Tombe, pas de bourrée, pirouette, right into tombe, coupe, jeté, jeté, jeté. So, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jeté, jeté, jeté. Now, if you try to stay up for those pirouettes so you can go right into the tombe, if not, go to 4th and tombe, coupe, jeté. But I think you can all stay up. It's not that long. Wait, 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 and go.
I know.
Okay. 3 ladies, please, in a triangle. Ready? 5. And piqué, contretemps, move back to this corner. Tombe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, jeté, jeté. 1, 2, up, 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 tombe, coupe, jeté. 1. Up, now travel back, up, and up, 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 tombe, coupe, jeté, jeté. Good. Good girl. 1. Start more in the corner, boys. Just a little comedy relief. Hold on. Up. And stay, 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 down, up, jet, jet. Those need work, but we have a whole year.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.